Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about arc command in AutoCAD. Watch my full video, you will definitely find something new. To draw an arc, use arc command first. Go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc. You can see here is 11 options available. We are going to understand every one of them. So let's start with 3 points. Here choose 3 points. Say you have to join 3 points using a smooth curve. Then you have to choose this option to draw the curve. Say you have to join these 3 points using a smooth curve. Then let's draw the curve. You have to specify the first point first, i.e. the start point of the arc. Then you have to specify any circumferential point of the arc. And then you have to specify the last point of the arc. Here you can see we join these 3 points using a smooth curve. Let's draw it again. Go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc and choose 3 points. Specify the first point, specify the any circumferential point and specify the end point. Here you can. Now let's talk about the next method of arc drawing, which is start center end. Choose start center end. Say this is the start point, this is the center point, and this is the end point. Then choose start point, then choose center point and choose end point. This method is very useful for creating slots. Let's talk about the next method. Go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc and choose start center angle. Specify the start point first, then you have to specify the center point, and then you have to specify the angle. Let's say the angle is 90 degree. Press enter. Here you can see. Let's check the dimension. This is 90 degree. This method is useful to draw an arc, have some definite angle. Now let's talk about the next method, which is start center length. The length here basically means the chord length. So specify the first point. Say this is the first point, this is the center point, and now you have to specify the chord length. Say the chord length is 4 mm. Press 4 and then press enter. Let's check the dimension. This is the end point and this is the start point. Here you can see the chord length is 4 mm. The chord length cannot be greater than its diameter. Let's check this command again. Go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc and choose start center length. Specify the first point. Say this is the center point and the chord length is 3 mm. Press 3 and then press enter. Let's check the dimension. Here you can see. Basically, the chord length means the linear distance between the start point and the end point. Now let's talk about the next method. Go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc and choose start end angle. Specify the start point. Now specify the end point. Say this is the end point. And now you have to specify the angle. Say the angle is 45 degree. Press 45 and then press enter. Now choose the angle. Now check the dimension. Here you can see it makes an angle of 45 degree with its center point. Let's talk about the next method, which is go to draw toolbar. Here choose arc command and choose start end direction. Say this is the first point and this is the end point. Now we have to specify the direction. Say the angle direction is 45 degree and press enter. Now let's check the dimension. Go to dimension. Here choose angular. Choose these 2 points. Here you can see. Now let's talk about the next method, which is start end radius method. Select this one. Now you have to specify the start point and then you have to specify the end point. Now you have to specify the radius. Say the radius is 3 mm. Press 3 and then press enter. Now let's check the dimension. Choose radius. Here you can see the radius is 3. So basically using the radius you can define the center point. Again use this command. Go to draw toolbar. Go to arc command and here choose start end radius. Now specify this point as the start point and this is the end point and the radius is 2. Press enter. Now let's check the dimension. Here you can see this is the center point of this arc. This is the center point of this arc. So basically using this command we specify the center point of the arc. Now let's talk about the next method, which is start center start end. This is very much similar to this one, start center end. So let's create it. Now you have to specify the center point first, then the start point and then the end point. Here notice one thing, the arc is always created counterclockwise. So choose your point in a counterclockwise direction. Now let's talk about the next method, which is center start angle. This is similar to start center angle. click on start center start angle. You have to specify the center point first, then you have to specify the start point, and then the angle, the included angle. Say the angle is 120 degree. Press enter. Let's check the dimension. Here you can see. Now let's talk about the next method, which is center start length method. Specify the center point, specify the start point, and now you have to specify the chord length. Say the chord length is 3 mm. Press enter. Let's check the dimension. You can see this is 3 mm. Now let's talk about the last one, which is continue. Let's draw an arc first. If you choose continue command, then it will start from the last point of the arc. Here you can see it automatically specify the start point, which is the end point of the previous arc. So repeat continue. Here you can see again it always choose the end point of the previous arc as its start point. So that's all from my side. Let me know in comment if you have any query. If you like my video, then press the thumb button, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.